Hey guys, Dr. J here. Today we're going to be talking about sinus flushing. If you have chronic sinus issues, some simple things that you can do. I've done some videos on the past on this topic as well as using a nebulizer too. Go see that video. Check that out. You'll like that a lot. Before we do, please smash the like button. Love to see your comments down below. So first thing, when we have sinus inflammation going on, a lot of times there can be microbes, there could be junk up the nose that could be creating inflammation. There could be viruses, maybe even bacteria. So the more we can knock down the viral load or the bacterial load naturally without creating inflammation, ideally, not needing a medication or an antibiotic to do it, that's a great way to kind of prevent these things from kind of getting out of control and having a full-on sinusitis or having a full-on sinus infection. We really want to avoid that. So first thing we can do is we can do things like Xlear Rescue is wonderful because it has different herbs in there. It has grapefruit seed extract. It has Podiarco. It's going to have tea tree oil in there. It's going to have oil of oregano. It's going to have eucalyptus. So really good herbs there out of the gate. We're going to do 2 squirts first. Breathe it in. Really great. A little spicy. You should feel it on the back of your throat. This is good. Not for the faint of heart, but if you're going to get an infection, this is a great starting point. If you got kids that are a little bit sensitive, with mine, I just push them anyway. I'm like, hey, we don't want to get an infection. Plus with kids, the mucus, their eustachian tubes are more parallel to the ground, so you get the mucus from here going to the ear, creating an ear infection. So this will save off your kids having an ear infection. Also stop eating the foods that make the mucus, the excess dairy, the sugar, the processed grains and flour. That'll do it. You can also do regular Xlear. So Xlear Rescue is green, that has the herbs. Regular one just has the xylitol and the grapefruit. So xylitol is in both. The difference is you're going to get the herbs in there, and that'll break up the mucus. So you can do this, 2 squirts. Sinus flush. You got saline in here, RO water, really clean. 2-3 seconds. Blow. 2-3 seconds flush. And blow. And then I typically end with 2 more squirts. Done. So that's the general kind of approach out of the gate. Now with the saline, we can add the saline, so RO water or distilled, 1 saline packet. We'll use the Neomed's great, and we'll do 1 to 2 drops of a high quality iodine, a betadine, providine iodine. Really good, has really good antimicrobial aspects to it, will help lower viral load, so that can be done. Or you could do silver, or you could even do 1 or 2 drops of a 3% hydrogen peroxide food grade. So those are some good options. I prefer to have something in there. If you're sensitive, just do the saline. If you're not, add a drop or 2 of iodine. It'll really help knock down that viral load. And again, most infections that are viral can go to secondary bacterial issues, especially if there's a lot of excess mucus. So if you can get the mucus out, you can also thin it with some NaC. You can also thin it with some Mucinex or some natural Mucinex, which is the guanefacin herb is the major herb in that product. Mucinex, you can get it in other products that don't have all the, let's say, additives in it as well. So some good options there out of the gate. First sign, start with your spray. It's easy to keep on you, the Rescue one. There's 3. There's the Rescue, which has the herbs, more for acute colds. The regular, which is good if you're just using more chronically, and you don't have to worry about any irritation. And then you have the Max, which is more for allergies. It has the same ingredient plus a little bit more aloe. So with my kids, I'll pull out the Max because it's a little bit more soothing, a little bit more gentle. So you got 3 options. Definitely the Rescue if you're dealing with a cold or in the middle of a cold. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know down below. Love to see your comments. And if you need more support, if you're having some chronic issues, breathing, sinuses, again, mold stuff can go up in the nose and grow and replicate and create a whole problem because this is all moist and dark up there. Mold loves places like that. Click down below. There'll be a link for you to reach out. And if you want more support, I'm here to help, guys. All right, take care. Have a good one. Bye now.